Alright guys, so we're in Bacolod Chicken or Chicken Bacolod. Ano ba? Chicken Bacolod. Bacolod Chicken nga. This is the iconic Iloilo bok choy right here. There you go. Pieces of meat, noodles, egg, and some chicharon. There you go. Alright. Ano yan? Ano yan?
Extra soup ko ng bok choy.
Oh, extra soup ng bok choy. Yan oh. Bok choy. Bok choy. Oh, yan oh. Kumakain ng bok choy si ang anak ko. Yan. So, ito yung mga kasama natin. Toto in the house. Anong pangalan mo? Mat in the house. Axel in the house. Troy in the house. The future Manny Pacquiao Jr. in the house. JM. And of course, your cameraman. Filipino Steph Curry in the house. There you go. Oh, alam ni Toto.
Ito pinakilala si JJ.
Oh, JJ is my son. Future NBA player right here, guys. Alright, John R. De La Cruz. Enjoying life in the Philippines. Oh, yan ang pinakamagandang waiter ng ano. Chicken Bacolod, oh. Oh, may mangga pa pala rito. Binibenta nyo rin to? Ah, hindi. Oh, ayan, oh. Ayan, yan. So, tour ko lang kayo ng store. Ayan, marunong si Toto. Sige to, bigyan mo. Yan, so. There you go. So, Bacolod Chicken Inasal is the name of the restaurant. There you go. So, ayan, yan. So, it originated in Bacolod. Yan. The story of Inasal. Yeah, there you go. Yan, meron silang laswa ni Lola. Oh, yan, yan, yan. Mga iconic food ng Iloilo. Yan. There you go. So, yan. So, here's your poging cameraman with the Kobe Bryant jersey right here. There you go, there you go. Boy, dahan-dahan lang. Dahan-dahan lang. Marami yan. Hindi kayo bibitay. Yan. So, okay lang ibalag, di ba? Ayan. So, yan. So, yan. These are their, menu, yan. So doon talaga ako nakakumakain sa branch nila sa Glorieta, sa Makati. There you go. So here you go, here you go. So yan, so ayan, pakita lang natin guys yung front ng store. There you go. So Bacolod Chicken Inasal right there. So yan, konti na lang customer kasi magsasara na. So bibilisan lang namin kumain. So they got all this halo-halo right here. Pero wala na kaming time dyan. So ayan. Yan yung mga menu nila. Alright guys, God bless you from SMC Dasmariñas in Cavite, Philippines. This is your homeboy, John R. De La Cruz. Ayan, so sa kabila, Wendy's. Oh. The iconic Wendy's. Alright guys, kain lang kami. Dumating na yung mga order yata lahat. So I don't know, let me see. Kasi may mga rice meals din kami. So, pasara na kasi sila eh. So, mamaya, bablog natin ulit yun. Part 2 na yun. Alright guys, ayan. Sige, lagay mo muna dyan. Alright, God bless you guys. John R. De La Cruz, J-O-N space R period or dot De La Cruz. Love you guys. Bye.